Hi everybody. Now I was thinking about doing a little video to help you out with the work on circles that we did in the lesson of Tuesday, the 4th of June. Remember the lesson where the board didn't quite work and we did it on my computer screen and I ended up with a really complicated diagram. So what we'll do is we're going to break that lesson down as simply as possible. So we're going to start by saying consider two circles. We call them C1 with the centre 2. I'm going to change the question ever so slightly. 2 minus 4 with a radius of 7. Okay, 7 units I suppose. And a circle C2, what should make the centre to be? Minus 3, comma, it should make this 5. And we'll make this have a radius of, let's make sure they definitely intersect. Let's make this a radius of 12 units. We're going to start by plotting them on the calculator, because that's the thing I think we kind of struggle with, is the use of the calculator. So what I'll do is I'll take various pictures of the calculator when I'm doing this. So I'm going to start with a new document. With my new document, I'm going to do graphs. I'm going to do menu. You can pause this anytime. Graph entry edit, equation templates, circle, and center form. And it's going to be x minus 2, y minus 4, with a radius of 7. That's circle 1. And then I'll do the same again for circle 2. And I will just I'm going to zoom out and then I'll take a picture of what I've got here. So it's zooming out. Okay. Let's see how well this takes a picture. So plus, take a photo. Let's see what we got. Just zoom in, just slightly crop it. You can always skip forward parts of this, but I'm hoping this just gives you time to catch up a bit. Okay. And you can see the circle certainly intersects in 2 points. And they intersect this point here and this point here. And what I do is as follows: menu, geometry, points and lines, intersection point 3. I then select circle, my blue circle, and I select my red circle. Click enter. I then push escape, and then remember, push escape to stop it from doing any more center points. And I get the points minus 4.36. It's not exact, it's just rounded to 3 significant figures, and minus 6.92. The other one is up at 7.84, comma, minus 0.143. Okay, so I found those points. Incidentally, if I'd have taken these circles, put them in the standard form, subtracted them from each other, I would have ended up with an equation of a straight line, and the equation of the straight line is the line that goes through these 2 points here. Now, I want to find the equations of the normals of these 2 lines, of these 2 points. But we'll start with the red circle. I'm going to do this on the calculator, and I'll take a couple of snapshots to help you out. So on the calculator, I do menu, I need to do geometry, I need to do points and lines. I need to do a line, which is number 4. I need to find the center. I'll do the red circle first. Point in the center, and then I point to the intersection point. I click enter. I then need to find the tangent to that. So I click escape, and I click menu, and I do geometry again, and I do points and I do constructions this time. Constructions. I do the perpendicular, and I click the point minus 4.36 minus 6.92. Click enter, and the line that I want it perpendicular to. I now have the black line, the tangent line, which I'll take a photo of shortly. The last thing I'll do with this is click menu, I'll click actions, coordinates and equations, and select that line. And what I have is I now have the equation of the tangent at that point there. So if I just take a quick photo of this, you can see how to get the tangent, and you can do it for all of them, and that's what I was doing earlier. Okay, you can do with the calculator that hidden behind the menu geometry, points and lines, lots of intersection points, and just giving you the coordinate points, and you can find the distance between 2 points by simply just doing geometry measurement length, and you take the 2 points you want to do. So just have a play with it. Anyway, I hope you found that useful.